Which one of the following activity is not a secondary sector activity? Answer C. Catching fish. Which one of the following sectors provides most of the employment in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata? Answer C. Service. Which one of the following is related to quaternary sector? Answer B. University teaching. Which one out of the following statement is not true? Answer B. At times, engineering and manufacturing job can also be outsourced. Expand BPO. Answer B. Business process outsourcing. Which of the following industries is considered parts of the culinary sector? Answer D. Robotics. Which of the following best describes the culinary sector? Answer B. It is information based. The culinary industry sector can be thought of a branch of addition from which sector? Answer C. Quaternary. Which one of the following is a tertiary activity? Answer B. Trading. Which are the fastest means of communication? Answer B. Telex. Jobs that involve high degree and level of innovations are known as? Answer C. Culinary activities. Which service does not require professional skill? Answer D. Shopkeeper. Manufactured goods are provided by? Answer A. Urban centers. Who operates on the wholesaler's capital? Answer C. Retailer. Which one of the following activities is related to quaternary sector? Answer C. University teaching. What stands for ICT? Answer A. Information Communication Technologies. Which of the following is an example of mass media? Answer C. Newspaper. What stands for CBD? Answer D. Central Business District. Tertiary activities depends on? Answer A. Skill. Which is not included in exchange? Answer D. Salaries. Door-to-door service is provided by? Answer A. Retail trading. Isochrones are lines that join places of quality. Answer B. Time distance. Which are the fastest means of communication? Answer D. Mobile telephones. What are quasi-urban centers? Answer C. Rural marketing centers. Two elements involved in tertiary activities are? Answer A. Production and exchange. The gold-collar professions are? Answer C. Highly paid executives. Buying and selling of things is termed as? Answer B. Trade. Travel undertaking for the purpose of recreation rather than business. Answer A. Tourism. What activities results in production and distribution of goods and services? Answer B. Economic activities. How the output measured in tertiary activities? Answer C. in terms of wages and salaries? What are quasi-urban centers? Answer C. Rural marketing centers.